Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Kuwait. Today we are going to solve a problem which comes under sets and relations. So the question is, let A is equal to the set 1, 2, 3. The number of relations on A containing 1, 2 and 2, 3 which are reflexive and transitive but not symmetric is. So the conditions are given, the relation, how many relations are possible on set A. It should contain 1, 2, 2, 3 and it should be reflexive, transitive, but it should not be symmetric. So let's start with the first, that is reflexive. So for a function, for this relation to be reflexive, it should contain 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. All this should be in the relation so that it will become reflexive. Next is, they have said it should be transitive. So again, plus this, it's already given 1, 1, 2 and 2, 3 should also be present in the relation. So if 1, 2 and 2, 3 is present, that means 1, 3 should also be present in the relation for the relation to be transitive. So far our relation is 1, 1, comma 2, 2, comma 3, 3, comma then you have 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma and 1, 3. So if you check for the symmetricity, you have 1, 3 but 3, 1 is not present. That means this relation is not symmetric but it is reflexive and transitive. So this is our first relation R1. So the remaining sets of elements which we have to check are 2, 3, 2, 3 and 3, 2 and one more is there, that is 3, 1. So when you check, R2 can be R1 plus 2, 1. If you put 2, 1 element into the relation R1, that will be again reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Again, R3 can be a function which is R1 plus 3, 1 and 3, 2. 3, 1 and 3, 2. So these are the possible relations for the on the set A to be transitive and reflexive but not symmetric. So the number of possible relations are 3.